To prune a rose bush shrub, first prune to clean it up and thin it out. Keep only the most vigorous branches. After that, proceed to a flower-inducing pruning to get nicer flowers. Eliminate old or damaged branches, as well as those touching or crossing each other. Also remove several old scaffold branches to retain only 5 to 9 of the most vigorous branches. Cut back to 3 buds, secondary branches that will bear flowers. Prune as close as you can to the bud to reduce presence of dead wood later on. Cut slantwise so that rainwater runs off from the cut mark. Otherwise, the bud might rot or freeze.